Hey guys, I am walking through the forest right now, so I'm just gonna make a short video of walking through the forest. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, this is it. You got horse crap, because there's horses. Deer crap, there's crap everywhere. Oh my god, this is not barbed wire fence. And yeah, that was a weird noise. And I'm going to leave now. And I'm back here just sitting in a chair. Yeah. It's my mother. Yeah. So yeah guys, that was a video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. And, got my staff. I'm going to finish it when I get home. Maybe I'll make a YouTube video of that. But yeah, as usual, have a good day. Peace out.